Beautiful Netravati. Even though if you're not doing boating, kayaking is a must. Because everybody who says I have capacity, strength, everything will get proved that time. Water dog! It looks like we are entering some deep forest. Full samudra ne table mein le rega. So right now we are at my farmhouse. Overall the vibe of the property is really good. So at night we got some thunderstorms and we played in the water. Udupi Shaili, beach side, Annaur Masala. We left the homestay and we are going to Udupi. We have got our card. So we are done. We are in the check post right now. So we have got a card and we'll have to hand over this card after we exit the Kudremukh National Park's other side of the gate. Right now we are behind our beautiful Netravati. So last time also I showed you. This time also again I am showing. Always when you come to Chikmagalur, go to Udupi because you will have a combination of beach and hills. And always go through Kudremukh ranges. Kudremukh National Park, you can see Netravati. And as we go more front, you can see huge hills of Kudremukh as well. Basically in the end of the Kudremukh range, near the check post, when you give back your ID cards, you must try this pineapple. It's really, really good. Look at everyone having and enjoying their pineapple. How is it, bro? Too good, huh? First time eating something like this, right?
The best pineapple I ever had.
We have reached Udupi. You guys can see we are already in our kayaking costumes, our life jacket. So all are ready. So first time experiencing kayaking?
Yeah.
Even you?
Second time.
Second time?
First time.
First time. Who are all first time, Guddu? Kayaking, kayaking you have done, no? So first time. Even though if you're not doing boating, kayaking is a must. Because everybody who says I have capacity, strength, everything will get proved that time. Magarmach. Nahi, idhar nahi. Guddu is pranking people, telling me crocodiles here.
Anaconda, crocodile, sab
Water dog. After we done with the kayaking and we played in the beach for some time, and so we thought of coming to a restaurant which is suggested by our property owner. This is today's dinner spot called as Aquateria. The unique part of this restaurant is we have aquariums, multiple aquariums here. The entire restaurant is like fully with different types of fishes and all are live. You guys can see we have multiple fishes here and even there. So it's a very cute and simple restaurant. So here goes our crab gyros, comes our fish and the dishes we ordered. Sir, idu sir idu? Bangda, masala bangda fry. Matte namdu favorite, my favorite, silver rava and prawns butter garlic. Bantu logo. Ide nam crabs.
Crab gyros.
So crab gyros. Isko tawa fry, ah? Full samudra ne table mein le rega. We are done with our dinner. You guys can see the table. A crime scene tara ide. Idre uta super. I'll give 100 out of 10 for this butter garlic prawns. This is the third plate I ordered. So right now we are at my farmhouse. So this is this beautiful place. You guys can see a beachfront farmstay, and I keep promoting this place every 2-3 months because I love this place. Technically this is not my own property and it's my friend's property. Property is very peaceful and it is a tiny property, nothing luxury. It has 10 stays and it has also rooms. Overall the vibe of the property is really good. This is only costing you 2000 rupees. That is with meals, kayaking activities, boating, speedboat ride, everything is included in this package and it just costs you only 2000 rupees. So at night we got some thunderstorms and we played in the water and we also had that bioluminescence at night, but we couldn't capture it in camera because it was not that bright, but it was really beautiful. The Hotel Latha, so this is the place where we have breakfast when we come to Udupi. So this is the hotel. This hotel has a legacy of many actors and industrialists coming and having food. So this is the place and we can see here a lot of actors like heroes, Rajkumar, everybody has come here to have breakfast. You can see it is like an old hotel. Rajkumar, politicians, everybody has come here to have food. Look at the vibe of this hotel. This is called as Mintel also. So basically it's yellow color and they'll give a little bit butter. So use the butter and eat it without chutney. Too good. 60 years. 60 plus years I get it. So basically this hotel is 60 plus years. Heavy breakfast of 6 to 8 people will cost you only 860 rupees here. That's really good. Today's plan is to make fish at our homestay. So we thought of buying some big fish and barbecue or fry it in the homestay. So this is the main fish market. With purchasing, our bag is full of fishes. That is prawns and one big fish. I'm not sure with the name. Now we are heading back to our homestay and we are done buying fish. Marination is supposed to be happening and we are going for a country boat ride. Here you guys can see, these blue tubs with a frame hanging in the blue tub. It is basically floating. This is harvesting and cultivation of clams. These are the clams you guys can see here. After the cultivation they get it here and they're cleaning it here. This is how the flesh looks and this is the clams. The good ones are kept there. We are done with the cleaning of the fish, so you guys can see the fish is fresh and clean. And now we are going to add the masala to the fishes. The big fish is here and the motte alva. So fish, the egg and prawns. Idu fry madakiro masala. Okay, fry madake ishtondu prawns ittidive. So look at the vibe. My brother is enjoying there. Harsha is already passed out. He's sleeping peacefully here and look at the vibe of this place. 3 variety ivattu. Fish barbecue, prawns fry, prawns dry fry. I'll show you the cooking process. So mostly we'll wait for them to get properly marinated. Until then we will continue our drone shots and vlogs and also go for a country boat ride. We are back to the kayaking point and this is where even the country boat ride also starts. So our country boat ride is started. Now we're heading straight to the mangrove. Feeling the nature and its silence. So sometimes there is silence required and look at this. It looks like we are entering some deep forest. Yesterday due to low tide we couldn't come to this area and oh, there is something here. There is fishes jumping. I'm not sure what it is. See, something's moving inside water. Okay. Today the tide is pretty decent and we are able to get inside the mangroves. We are starting our barbecue. So this is where the barbecue is going to be prepared. We are using this mesh. Fish is already marinated. Fish is started to cook and you guys can see. It looks so tempting, no?
Very tempting.
It looks tempting actually. Here we are frying fish egg. So this is the egg and you guys can see again drizzling in oil and properly being prepared. And here our prawns is already ready. So finally our barbecue fish is ready and you guys can see it's properly cooked and roasted. And here we have our prawns. Then sambar, dal fry, and that is prawns dry fry. But it is like a semi gravy. So let's go for it. Udupi Shaili, beach side, annaur masala. Todna. This is all about the Udupi vlog, about this property, activities, barbecue and everything. So you guys saw the detailed vlog. All the details are right in front of you. So if you want to contact and do the booking of this property, the contact number is right here and the renovation is going to happen in next 2 months. So you can check with the owner. The number is right here. So keep following guys for more such budget friendly content. Check out my YouTube shorts and Instagram for mini vlogs and keep following and supporting. Thank you bros and machas.